What's up, guys? My name is Sarah, and I am so excited to introduce everyone to Segway-Ninebot's electric kick scooter Max G2. This is the second generation of the Max series, and it's going to boost your commuting experience to a whole new level. As a member of the Max lineup, the G2 is positioned as a mid to high-end scooter for daily commuters. To make the G2 the ultimate tool in transportation, the team at Segway-Ninebot focused on implementing only the most cutting-edge technologies. First up, the all-new ride-along technology developed exclusively by Segway-Ninebot R&D. With the same 551 watt-hour battery capacity as the previous model, the G2's range still improved from 65 kilometers to 70 kilometers. How did they do it? By coordinating the motor and tires with a specialized formula, and then refining the controller algorithm to boost efficiency across the board. They were able to take a huge step toward extending battery life. 5 kilometers may not seem like much at first glance, but ride-along lays the foundation for even greater gains in the future. As the tech evolves, the G2's battery will only become more and more competitive. Next, there's the stronger 900-watt motor, made with brushless DC design and a Hall sensor for optimal performance, longevity, and speed control. The extra power delivers a big boost. With its climbing slope jumping to 22% over the previous model's 20%, tackling inclines is much easier with the G2. You can really feel the difference. Now, onto a major pain point for riders: lack of shock absorption. The team listened to customer feedback on the popular G30 model and equipped the G2 with 1 hydraulic front suspension and 2 spring suspensions in the rear. That's a game changer for absorbing bumps and vibrations during daily commutes. Safety is paramount, so Segway used automotive tech to develop a proprietary traction control system for kick scooters. It enhances your stability and grip on slick or wet roads, which is vital for avoiding skids. Charging is straightforward with the built-in voltage transformer and rapid 3A charger included. You'll be fully juiced up in 6 hours. The G2 rolls on 10-inch self-sealing tubeless tires, which are more puncture-resistant than standard air tires thanks to an internal self-healing glue layer. Combine that with the ride-along rubber formula, and the decreased friction saves you an incredible amount of energy. The G2's stopping power comes from a front drum brake and rear electric anti-lock (EABS) braking system. Let's talk dimensions. The G2 is 2 centimeters taller than the previous gen, and its handlebar is 5 centimeters wider. These changes give the user a more comfortable and stable ride. Bright LED headlights and EU standard certified front and rear indicators improve visibility and make night riding safer. Mechanical bells are replaced by sleek electric bells on the G2. Transporting the kick scooter is hassle-free thanks to its thoughtful 3-step folding design. Unlock safety latch, press lock handle, fold down stem. In just seconds, the scooter folds down into a compact size that's easy to lift and carry around. Take it through narrow store aisles, stash it in tight spaces, throw in your car trunk, rideshare, bus, or train. The folding mechanism ensures convenient portability to keep up with your mobile lifestyle. An onboard system manages the scooter's battery to prevent short circuits, overcurrent, overcharging, overheating, and more. To increase the G2's longevity, riding data is used to implement continuous over-the-air software updates. Next up is the Segway-Ninebot Smart app, which you can use to check up on your kick scooter, lock or unlock it, monitor battery level, see how far you've driven, and more. The app also includes 2 new functions. First, you can select your max speed and adjust your acceleration levels with sports mode. Second, with a double button push, you can change the scooter to eco mode at 12 kilometers per hour, drive mode at 20 kilometers per hour, and sport mode at 25 kilometers per hour. Last, and most importantly, is the Apple Find My feature, which we've authorized and integrated into the kick scooters. Now, you can track your scooter via the Segway-Ninebot app on your iPhone. It's going to be easier than ever to know where your scooter is at all times. So here's the deal. The new Segway-Ninebot Max G2 takes electric kick scooter performance and kicks it up a whole other level. With cutting-edge tech across the board, from battery to motor to tires to suspension, not to mention the advanced safety features, this is the ultimate form of commuting. I'm happy to chat more about this amazing new model and looking forward to seeing the Max G2 out on the streets everywhere soon.